Hello everyone, this is Sarver Coder. Welcome back to Artemis Coder. I'm going to show you some basic circuits on DC motors. So I've taken a breadboard, we need 9-volt battery and a DC motor. So now I'm going to connect the positive on the E30 and mark the color LED and the negative on E29 and color black. Now I'll connect the battery to the positive right over here and the negative in over here. Now I change the color of the positive battery wire. Okay, I hope you know this much till now. So from my past videos, now we will connect this like this. Now it is completed. Just I have to make this the color black. This is only for that we don't get confused with negative and positive. And you see it is rotating over here. Thank you for watching for our video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'm going to share my email ID. Please send the videos. Please send your videos with LEDs, LEDs, vibration circuit, LED circuit, and EC circuit. I hope you like our videos. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use Arduino. Let me show you Arduino. This is the Arduino, as you can see. Thank you for watching.